Our customer's packaging line was dependable, but limited by manual strapping tools that slowed productivity and demanded constant attention. To keep up with increasing output, they needed a smarter, faster, and more efficient solution. The search began for a solution that could enhance speed, precision, and ease of use without adding complexity to the process. That's when the customer switched to the PR-1T battery-powered strapping tool by PackRite, bringing technology-driven performance and reliability to their packaging floor. With just a single touch, the PR-1T tensions, seals, and cuts the strap, simplifying the process and saving valuable time in every cycle. Its ergonomic and lightweight ensures comfortable handling throughout the day, while the brushless DC motor and friction sealing technology deliver consistent, secure strapping with every use. Since integrating the PR-1T, the customer has achieved up to 40% faster packaging cycles, greater sealing consistency, and reduced downtime, resulting in smoother, more productive operations. With PackRite's PR-1T, packaging became smarter, stronger, and simpler, setting a new benchmark for efficiency and reliability in every cycle.